Precise printing pressure control on non-flat PCB surfaces is difficult. Traditional systems regularly underperform, provide slow adjustments, require frequent maintenance, and their performance is unpredictable. Europlacer has designed a simpler, smarter approach to deliver consistent pressure and impeccable print quality. Traditional stencil printing systems rely heavily on mechanical components like springs, ball screws, strain gauges, and load cells to regulate pressure during printing. These systems adjust pressure only after each print cycle, rather than in real time. Because of this, they often require frequent maintenance and calibration to maintain accuracy. The reliance on springs introduces variability, making it difficult to achieve consistent and reliable print quality, especially on uneven PCB surfaces. Europlacer's solution addresses these challenges with a closed-loop pneumatic system featuring advanced air pressure control. Experience real-time pressure adjustments with dual air cylinders that instantly react to every change on the PCB surface, guaranteeing perfect pressure on every print. Enjoy a virtually maintenance-free design, no springs, no belts, no ball screws, meaning zero calibration and zero downtime. Upgrade your printing process today, achieve better results, save valuable time, and reduce costs, effortlessly and without compromise.